Can beginners learn Irish crochet? Have you ever thought about picking up a new craft while traveling? If so, Irish crochet might just be the perfect fit for you. This traditional lace-making craft has roots in 19th century Ireland and is a beautiful expression of Irish culture and artistry. But can beginners truly learn this craft? Let's find out together. Irish crochet may look complex at first glance, but it is accessible to newcomers. The key is to start with the basics. Begin by learning essential crochet stitches such as chains, double crochet, and slip stitches. These stitches form the foundation of Irish crochet and are used to create various motifs, which are shapes like leaves or flowers, and the connecting meshwork. Once you are comfortable with the basic stitches, focus on practicing small, repetitive motifs. Simple designs like shamrocks or basic flowers are excellent starting points. These motifs help build muscle memory and introduce techniques such as working over cords or padding threads to add dimension to your work. A core skill in Irish crochet is connecting these motifs with chain-based mesh. Beginners often start with simple grids before moving on to more complex patterns. This gradual approach makes learning less overwhelming and more enjoyable. If you are traveling in Ireland, you might find local workshops in craft centers or cultural hubs. For instance, Dublin's traditional craft shop occasionally offers hands-on classes. Participating in a workshop can provide you with guidance and support from experienced instructors. When it comes to materials, consider purchasing a starter kit. Look for lightweight materials like size 10 crochet thread and a 1.5mm hook from Irish craft stores. These supplies are portable, making them perfect for practicing on the go. To deepen your appreciation for Irish crochet, visit museums like the National Museum of Ireland. Here, you can see historical pieces that showcase the beauty and craftsmanship of this art form. It can be truly inspiring to see how this craft has evolved over time. Engaging with the local community can also enhance your learning experience. Many local yarn shops or craft fairs host informal groups where you can observe techniques or ask for advice. This interaction can be both fun and educational. While learning Irish crochet, you may face some challenges. The freeform nature of this craft can be a bit daunting for beginners. A helpful solution is to follow video tutorials or pattern charts. These resources can guide you through individual steps before you combine them into larger projects. Another challenge is the time investment required for motif-based work. To tackle this, start with a small project like a coaster or a brooch. Completing these smaller items can give you a sense of accomplishment and motivate you to take on larger projects. Irish crochet has a rich history, especially as a source of income for rural communities during the famine era. Learning this craft allows you to connect with Ireland's heritage while expressing your creativity. So, can beginners learn Irish crochet? Absolutely. By focusing on foundational skills, utilizing accessible resources, and embracing small, incremental progress, anyone can enjoy this beautiful craft. Whether you are a traveler or a local, Irish crochet offers a meaningful way to engage with Irish culture while developing a rewarding skill.